Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going through my empties, which is pretty impressive, I will say, because I didn't really start collecting them until maybe April of this year. So the fact that I filled this up and it's like full is pretty impressive. Let's just jump right in. I'm just going to take from the top, go through it, and pretty much tell you guys if I would repurchase it or not. I'm going to keep it short and sweet because it looks like there is a lot in this container. Alright, just grabbing from the top, we have the Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream. I would pass, not my favorite. I like the Lala Virtro better. The Drunk Elephant Peaky Bar and Juju Bar. Technically, I'm still using these, but I only have maybe like a week's worth left. 100% would repurchase both of them. We have, looks like on top, 2 of the Believe the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Obviously, there's 2. I would repurchase. This is probably my favorite morning moisturizer. We have the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I'm on the fence on this one. This is a reusable container, so I will be keeping this, and I do have a pod to refill it with. I just don't know if it is something I would keep repurchasing, so jury's still out on this one. We have the Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid. I honestly don't remember really using this. I don't think it was anything special. It was just a nice essence, so either which way, I have other essences that I would use, but if you're just looking for one, it's not a bad one. The Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, I would 100% pass on this one. It was okay until you get to the very end where there's just nothing but rose petals, and trying to get that out, I literally got to the point where I just filtered the rose petals out. Also, it was okay. I have better toners that I use that are also a lot cheaper. The Good Molecule Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer. I love this in the mornings before my sunscreen. I actually did repurchase a bigger size, so yes, would recommend. You'll notice that most of these are kind of samples because, again, I'm trying to get through, like, I have basically drawers full of skincare, so a lot of them are samples, trying to get through them, so that's what a lot of these will be. Like this one. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. Pass. I don't really see. I did just pass. The Kiehl's Rejuvenating Facial Essence. It was okay. Wouldn't be a repurchase for me, but it wasn't bad. This is the Drunk Elephant Erase Milky Micellar Water. It is in my to repurchase list after I get through my current micellar water. We have the Believe Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. I like it. I feel like there are cheaper things on the market, so yes, I'll repurchase, but if I find something cheaper, I'm just going to use that. Same thing, hydrating, Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. We have a mini of the Drunk Elephant Proteini Peptide Cream. As you can see, I was just trying to get through these. Again, would not repurchase. We have the Lala Retro Whipped Cream from Drunk Elephant, and did repurchase twice this year, so this is probably my favorite night cream. We have the the Sun by Me Red Tea Tree Derma Solution Toner. This was actually okay. This was pretty decent. I don't really need treatment toners as much as I used to, but if you are in the market for one, I would recommend this one. The Wamisha Organic Flower Cleansing Oil. As much as I love this stuff, and I mean I love this stuff, I would not repurchase just because it starts to leak really bad. So if they change the bottle for this, I would 100% do it again, but for right now, it is a no for me, sadly. This is the Drunk Elephant A Passiony Retinol Cream. Would repurchase. Probably my favorite retinol that I've used this entire year. The Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Yes, repurchase. I have repurchased, and I probably have like an unopened bottle right now. So, okay, knocking these 2 out because they're the same thing. The Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh Day Serum. Would I repurchase? No. There's cheaper and just as effective vitamin C serums out there without you having to be your own chemist. So I just found that these with possible user error is just something to just be avoided, especially when you're paying that much for a product. Going on to their Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. Also pass, because I feel like on its own it does nothing. When you smoothie it with other products, it's good, but on its own, not worth the price. The Drunk Elephant F-Bomb Electrolyte Water Facial, would recommend. This is a nice sleeping mask. I didn't think I was going to love it as much as I did, but I did. That's another Behydra, again pass. The Ole Harrison Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and just because these came in a duel, the Henderson Truth C Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I actually really liked both of these. I didn't think I was going to, but I did. I would recommend each one. This is the Primera. It just says water. I'm not really sure what this was. All I know is I was dragging my feet on using it, and then it didn't really wow me in the first place. So, pass. We have the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel Cream. Yes, I would recommend this. I would repurchase it. I just have 50 other thousand ones I gotta go through, but when those are done, I will be repurchasing this one. Repurchasing that one. The Sephora Ultra Glow Toner. Again, something I didn't think I was going to like, and then I did, and I would repurchase this one 110%, and it's super affordable, so yeah. The Ami Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence. I did love this, however, I did not like the $90 price tag. I didn't pay 90 bucks for it. I think I got it for like 40 something, but even then, for close to 100 bucks retail value, it didn't wow me. I had other products way cheaper do even more, so that is a hard no for me. We have a Primera Serum. Again, wasn't wowed by this. Pass. Glow Recipe Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Absolutely yes. I've already repurchased another one, and yes, especially if you have hyperpigmentation like me. Katari Beauty Gerin Mediterranean Hydrating Mist. Absolutely, absolutely. You guys already know I love everything from Katari Beauty, and I love using this on skin treatment days. We have the Drunk Elephant TLC Baby Facial. Absolutely, yes. This is probably my favorite chemical exfoliant, and only reason I haven't repurchased it is because I need to finish using my ordinary one. But yes, 100 times yes. The Banish Fighter Gel. Yes. This is more like a acne spot treatment or like a cooling sensation. I love it. Just don't get it if you have other gel products like that, like acne spot treatments that you currently use, just because this baby is gonna last you a while. I bought this last year, and I'm having to toss it just because I didn't finish it. So little goes a long way, and if you use this, it's the only one you will need. Would recommend. The Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Yes, already have a new one. The Primera Essence Miracle Seed. I would say repurchase, except this year or sometime last year they rechanged the formula, and now basically they got a little cheap, and yeah, I'm not a fan of it. So used to be my favorite, would no longer recommend. Sun and Park Beauty Water. I would again recommend, but I can't find it anywhere now. So if you happen to run across this, grab it. But I just say no right now because it's, I guess, discontinued, or you at least can't get it in the US anymore. We have the Indie Lee COQ10 Toner. I do like this toner. Do I think it's worth the price? No, but I do recommend it. So if it is within your budget and you do want to try it, it is a good toner. And we have the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser. I think this is probably my second favorite cleanser to date. 100% would recommend. Those are all my empties of 2022. I got through a lot. I didn't think I got through as many as I did until I took this out of my closet and realized it was practically overflowing. Again, the link to all of the products, especially if I can still find them, are in the description down below, along with any coupons that I may have, affiliate links, all that jazz. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you found this video entertaining, helpful, got some suggestions, whatever. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe so you see more of my favorites and recommendations, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!